Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Hammer Blades 3 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to exit the Fastboot mode on this device. So, to do it, to exit the Fastboot mode, as you can see all my keys are blocked. So to do it, you just need to press and hold power button for about 30 seconds. So, press and wait. Release when screen will black. Wait a while, and as you can see my smartphone is rebooting. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.